That's Jesse cleaning out off my car for me. This is ridiculous, right? Right here is a walkway that would take me out to the street, but as you can see, it's buried with snow. The snow blower made a little path to get to the car. That's someone using a snow blower. Oh my God, it's freezing out.
Yeah, I'm going to put it in the front yard so I can jump off the porch. I'm going to do a backflip on it.
Are you really going to do that? You're going to jump from off the balcony into the snow? That looks like fun. Yeah, me too. That looks like fun. I would try it if I had the clothes.
They ain't get old enough so I can do things with them. I'll be with them every day. Ali's probably going to yell at me for doing it, but...
Oh my God.